This is a universal rail kick aiming system. First, find the cutting line between the center of the rail pocket opening and the target ball's maximum angle. Then, find the parallel line of the object ball. The point where the parallel line crosses the cutting line is your exact aiming point for the shot. All you have to do is use the center of the cue ball and hit that calculated contact point. In most cases, the object ball will go straight into the pocket with a clean, full pocket hit. This method is extremely simple. It only has two steps. First, find the cutting line. Second, find the parallel line. Where those two lines intersect is your aiming point. Just strike the cue ball from the center with medium speed, and the shot will almost always pocket clean. This system works for many different angles. Even when you're dealing with reverse angles, the same rule applies. Cutting line, parallel line, and the intersection point. That is your aiming target. Hit the cue ball center to center with medium speed, and the object ball will keep coming into the pocket. Look at this. Even when playing a rail kick shot, the same system works. Cutting line, parallel line, and the intersection point is still the key. When you aim point to point and deliver the cue ball straight, the object ball goes into the pocket with a clean, full hit. Now look at this technique. How accurate is this?